This is a Max Top lunchbox, and I'm going to show you why I love it and how much it fits. So as you can see, I love this beautiful sea green color. It's super beautiful. It has cream strap. It does have a crossbody and even a little shoulder pad to protect you because lunch bags can get heavy. And as you can see, it has nice open pockets in the front to really put everything. This is a single pocket, and it does have a nice cup holder on the side, which actually expands pretty big to fit my huge tumbler. And that one, you can either use it as another cup holder, or you can even put wipes, and it has a zipper. You can put them in. It's super handy, especially if you want to use this as a lunchbox / diaper bag. Super handy. And it even has a zipper pouch in the back. This is where I'm going to put my keys, my wallet, everything I need for lunch. And let's see how much this can fit. So, let's see. I typically bring salad to work, and I put in this huge container, and that was in here. So let's see what else. Another huge container. As you can see, this is big. Another room, and it still had room in there. So as you can see, this really fits a lot. The lining is leak-proof, and I believe triple insulated. So that's great for me, especially because something always leaks in my lunch bags. That's why I need the separation, especially from the back to in the bag, because something always leaks. So I love the zipper, because everything is always falling out because I'm throwing it everywhere. But I don't have to worry about this because it's leak-proof and insulated, which I love. So that's why I've been loving the Max Top Insulated Lunchbox.